is arranging elements so that no one part of a work overpowers or seems heavier than the other part. Three different kinds of balances are symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial symmetrical, or formal. Balance is the most stable and visual sense.
When both sides of an artwork on either side of the horizontal or vertical axis of the picture plane are exactly the same work is said to exhibit a type of balance. It is also a principle that deals with the visual weight of an artwork.
Definition of balance. A basic principle of art, specifically of design. The definition of balance refers to the ways in which the elements, lines, shapes, colors, texture, etc. of a piece of arranged balance in one to those useful terms to know, if one to employ art speak.
Symmetry means a mirror image. One side of the mirror equals the other side of the mirror. Symmetry can occur in any orientation as long as the image is the same on either side of the central axis. We are symmetrical after all. We have two eyes, two ears, etc. Look around at the consumer products and graphics to see how many use symmetry. You'll find symmetry everywhere in the world. Symmetrical balance. A vertical axis is required to achieve balance with symmetry. Part of the reason is that we have struggled through our lives to perfect our balance in order to stand, walk, ride a bike, etc. To do this, we must have exactly the same weight on both sides of our bodies. Our axis of symmetry is vertical, and this makes a good model of symmetry in visual information. Asymmetrical balance. Asymmetry means without symmetry. That by itself has nothing to do with balance. It just means that there are no mirror image as a composition. The term, however, is usually used to describe a kind of balance that does not imply of symmetry. Asymmetrical balance. There is no simple formula for achieving balance in asymmetrical balance. So the designer must sense whether or not the composition is balanced. This is where you sense the balance really as it is. Balance. Rate and balance is a type of harmony or equilibrium that is achieved when a visual element span out of the central point, like in the image. With rate and balance, all of the visual weight of the element is distributed equally, drawing the gaze towards the center of the design as opposed to a faraway angle. Subsequently, the gaze moves from the center to the outward image and then back to the center. We are balance. Tiene que estar equilibrado, espérate.